Mistplay redemption history doesn't always update the moment you redeem a reward. Processing delays, account syncing, or pending verification can temporarily make a redemption appear missing or incorrect. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check whether your redemption is still processing, how to refresh your account history, and when it's time to contact Mistplay support. If you redeemed a gift card and can't find it in your redemption history, don't redeem the reward again right away. Start by reopening the Mistplay app and checking the rewards or redemption history section after the app finishes syncing with the server. Next, confirm that you're signed into the same Mistplay account you used when you redeemed the reward. If you've switched accounts or changed devices, you could be looking at the redemption history for a different account instead of the one that completed the transaction. Now, check your email linked to your Mistplay account. Some reward information and redemption confirmations are delivered by email. Search your inbox, spam folder, and junk folder for messages from Mistplay. If you received a confirmation email but the redemption isn't showing inside the app yet, the transaction may still be updating in your account history. If the redemption history shows incorrect information, compare it with your reward confirmation. Look for the redemption date, reward type, and any confirmation details you received. Taking screenshots of both the app and your email gives you useful evidence if you need to report a problem. If nothing appears after allowing enough time for the app to sync, submit a support request through the Mistplay help section. Include your account email, the reward you redeemed, the approximate redemption date, and screenshots showing the missing or incorrect history. Providing complete information in your first message reduces the need for follow-up questions. Avoid creating multiple support tickets about the same redemption. Sync call. Keeping all communication in a single case makes it easier for the support team to review your account and track the original transaction. If you've recently reinstalled the app or signed in on a new device, verify that your account has fully synchronized before assuming the redemption has disappeared. A successful sync restores your account information from Mistplay's servers rather than from the device itself. Here's the quick recap. Refresh the app first, verify you're using the correct account. Check your email for redemption confirmation, and contact Mistplay support with screenshots if your redemption history still looks wrong. If you found this guide useful, subscribe for more straightforward fixes from Mistplay and other rewards apps.